How do we know that triangle ABC and triangle CDE are similar? The first thing we should note is that this angle must be equal to this angle. The reason that angle DCE is equal to angle ACB is that these are vertically opposite angles. Now consider the parallel lines. I can see a Z shape. This angle must be equal to this angle. So we have that angle ABC is equal to angle CDE, and the reason is that they are alternate angles. Once we know that two of the angles are the same, it follows that the third must be as well. That's because, in both cases, the angle sum for the triangle is 180 degrees. Often we're asked to give a reason why the two triangles are similar. In this case, we can say the reason is AAA, or that all three angles are the same. Now let's identify corresponding sides. CB goes between the single marked angle and the double marked angle. In the other triangle, CD does the same, so these sides correspond. The single marked and triple marked angle, and the same here. Finally, DE goes between the double marked angle and the triple marked angle, so must correspond to AB. We want to find the length of DE. Here is DE. AB, the side that corresponds to it in the larger triangle, has length 15 centimeters. If we consider AC, it corresponds to CE, and AC is 12.5 centimeters long, and CE is 5 centimeters long. Since we know the lengths of two corresponding sides, we can work out the scale factor of the enlargement. 12.5 is equal to 2.5 times 5. So it follows that the scale factor of the enlargement is 2.5. The 15 centimeters is in the large triangle. DE is in the small triangle. We're going large to small, so we divide by the scale factor. So 15 divided by 2.5. This gives us 6 centimeters. We now want to find the length CB. This corresponds to CD, and CB is in the larger triangle. Therefore CB is going to be the scale factor times the length of the side in the smaller triangle. So CB is equal to 13.75 centimeters.